Are you a manufacturer? So you must facing these problems.
Preview.
Data can't be trusted, poor inventory management, decision making is faulty, hit or miss scheduling, inaccurate job costing. Because of this, you lose approx 20% in your time. Absolute ERP is now available to solve these problems for small to large scale manufacturers at a very affordable price. Absolute ERP is an effective and reliable one-stop production planning tool for manufacturers. We give you powerful options to plan your production process, create manufacturing orders and schedule them on master production schedule. Simple interface offers a complete overview of your company performance.
Preview.
After benefits you will get to adapt Absolute ERP. 1. Track material and work in progress inventory. 2. Fully integrated scheduling. 3. Accurate work orders and routers. 4. No delay of time. 5. Accurate inventory injects a new level of speed and efficiency into the entire production process. Access anywhere and anytime, because it's cloud-based system. 100 of manufacturers have used Absolute ERP and happy with us. Call us now.